Hey, Watson, do you understand when I'm talking to you? You do? Okay, so I gave you a Chewy. I gave Kiko a Chewy. You ate Kiko's Chewy. So what do we say when we steal someone else's Chewy? What do we say? Do you know? Yes, we say we're sorry. We say we're sorry. You're a good boy, Watson. You're a good boy, Kiko.
Oh. Good boy. T.
Bracky, I know how much you like wieners.
Look, Penelope. Look. There is nobody out here. Nobody. Do you see that? Do you see that? Look over here. There's nobody. Look over here. There's nobody.
For some reason, my dog is crying. I can't find him anywhere in my backyard. So I'm looking. I hear him crying. I'm like, why? Why are you crying? Why are you crying? What are you doing?